This is Lelis House, designed by Memola Estúdio. Located in São Paulo, Brazil, this 350 square meter residence is a hidden tropical sanctuary. As you can see from the street, a textured stone wall protects the home, blending privacy with lush greenery. Stepping inside, the design honors the site's history by balancing rustic exposed brick with warm wooden ceilings. The heart of the home is this open-plan kitchen and dining area, where natural light floods in through large sliding doors, connecting the interior to the garden. Next, please take a look at some photos of the corners of the house below.